Understanding the juice cleanse concept. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating and popular health trend, the juice cleanse. Whether you've heard this term in conversations, read it online, or seen it in health stores, we'll break down what it really means and why it's significant. Let's dive into the world of juice cleanses and understand its implications. A juice cleanse is a type of diet that involves consuming only juices from fruits and vegetables for a specific period, typically ranging from a day to several weeks. The main idea behind a juice cleanse is to give the body a break from digesting solid foods and to detoxify the body. People believe that this process helps in removing toxins from the body, leading to various health benefits. During a juice cleanse, individuals drink only fruit and vegetable juices. These juices are usually cold-pressed to retain maximum nutrients and enzymes. The lack of solid food means the digestive system gets to rest, and the nutrients from the juices are easily absorbed. The concept is that this process helps to reset the body's systems, promoting better health. Pros: detoxification. Many believe juice cleanses help in removing toxins from the body. Nutrient-rich. Juices are packed with vitamins and minerals. Weight loss. Some experience short-term weight loss. Cons: nutrient deficiencies. Lacks essential nutrients like protein and fat. Short-term results. Weight loss is often not sustainable. Health risks. Can lead to health issues if followed for too long or without proper guidance. Juice cleanses are not for everyone. People with certain health conditions like diabetes, pregnant women, children, and those with weakened immune systems should avoid juice cleanses. It's always important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet, especially one as restrictive as a juice cleanse. We hope this video has provided a clear understanding of what a juice cleanse is and how it works. Remember, while juice cleanses can have benefits, they are not suitable for everyone and should be approached with caution. Stay healthy and make informed decisions about your diet. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.